Hey, you may recognize me as John Go from Blizzard Entertainment. As you can tell, I'm here at the office. Um, so we know there's a big issue with the World of Warcraft economy, where the prices of peace weed and other items have and peaceweed and briar meth and silvercrack have been the economy is ruined. We know there's a big issue where there's a lot of crazy items being put on the what you guys call the but we call it the auction house here. There there's a lot of these items that are flooding the ah and well, we're working on fixing that. So we're gonna create a system where, okay, we understand peaceweed used to be 100 gold a stack. Now it's a copper a stack. We get it, but we have something in mind. We're gonna be making a tax system where when you buy any item from the ah, um, it'll be we cut it in half with a kitchen knife. One half is given to you, and the other half is thrown in the dumpster. And we also take half of the gold to our GMs playing World of Warcraft, and it'll be distributed to them. So it'll be in good hands, and the other half will be given to the seller. And we think this will be a good solution to this horrible issue with the economy that World of Warcraft is dealing with. Another thing that we'll be doing to fix it is by, in the next expansion, I believe it's called Dragonlands. In Dragonlands, there will be a feature where the will be in order to open it, you have to. It's a queue system in the dungeon panel. So you'll have your dungeon queue, your raid finder queue, your pre-made group finder queue. Right below that will be an icon, and it'll be a bunch of gold and a goblin smiling at you. When you click on it, you have to queue up to go to the auction house, and then that is when you'll get teleported to the nearest auction house, and then you sell or buy what you need, and you have about 1 minute to do it. And once you're done, you can leave, and when the timer is out, you'll hear a huge buzzer, and a giant boot will kick you out of the auction house, and you'll get screamed at by a goblin, and you'll have your loading screen, and you'll go back to where you were. We think that'll help too, as well as this tax system. And well, we hope this works awesomely, and Django from Blizzard out.